There's Kimberly over there. That's all right. Say hello, Kim. We're talking about our camping trip. Anyway, talk to y'all later. And we will camp over there. What's our plan?
Take some Camp's mosquito spray and spray all through here. Been saying it's gonna make us some lunch.
We'll see. That's gonna be good. We'll open them up in a little bit and let y'all see what we got. Shoot, we'll have this stuff cleared out in no time. Just as long as you don't get near me, we alright.
I got an axe, but don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. But I got one.
Kim, what'd you say about all that work?
Too much damn work.
Woo, hot. Feel the heat.
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's done, ain't it?
A little crispy at the bottom, but that's okay. That's how I like mine. Oh, it's good. Look at that pretty squash. It's hot though. Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, I think it needs to cool off.
It's almost as hot as I am. Yeah, that's good.
I hope I put enough stuff in it.
That's good. But even when I got Joey, me and Joey, we go take the tent, go down to Ballard Sandbar, go camp for the night.
You was a bushcrafter and didn't know it, wasn't you?
Yeah. I didn't know it was a thing. It was just fun.
All right. Y'all saw this before we started.
Yeah. It is.
Let's see.
Definitely spray it good.
Just check it out. Cleaned it up real nice. And it did it with this thing. I got it at Tractor Supply. I don't know what you call it, but it's let's see, what's that name? Can't see it good. Groundwork. Man, it cleaned this up real nice. Back in there. Gonna have hammocks up here. Got that cleared out a little bit. I mean, we didn't come in here butchering everything up, but so cool. But we got to head out. We tired. Bye, Kim.